Springtime means thunderstorms here in West Michigan. But how do they form? It's a good question, one that Reece Cole is going to try to answer with a group of students in Allegan County.
Well, I'm meteorologist Reece Cole. We're in Mrs. Boyle's third grade class at Martin Public Schools, and we're going to show these kids a thunderstorm with the warm air and the cool air with some dye. So we have some blue dye and some ice cubes, and we'll have red dye in a bucket of lukewarm water. So if somebody wants to come over here, and we'll get the red dye in, yeah, you, and then everybody else, you'll grab an ice cube, okay? So come on over and grab an ice cube. Let me get the cap off the dye. And you can all throw one ice cube on this side of the water.
Right now?
Yep. So you're going to see it start to mix in. You can see that blue dye, and it's all going to sink to the bottom because this water in the blue dye is cooler than the warm water here. So we'll open this one up, spray a couple of dots of warm water in there, upside down, like that. Go ahead and do it. Grab it.
Okay.
And squeeze it. Put a few more drops in there. Put a lot of it. There you go. And now as it mixes, if you see down here, all the blue is going to sink to the bottom, and all the red is going to go on top. So go ahead and all you guys look around, and you can see that the blue is going to go underneath the red.
Is that good?
Yeah. And you can see the red is going underneath, over top of the blue. Do you see that? So that's how thunderstorms work. The blue, cold air goes underneath, and the warm air goes over top, and then they mix, and you're able to get a thunderstorm and strong storms. So you can see all that mixing going on in there. That's where the thunderstorm's going to be. So that's how thunderstorms work with warm air and cool air. From Mrs. Boyle's third grade class, I'm meteorologist Reece Cole.
And next week, Reece is staying at Martin Elementary, where he'll demonstrate how rain forms. So be sure to tune in for that one. You can also find all of our Weather Kids experiments on fox17online.com.